Good morning, students. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss inductive deductive teaching method. Learning objective of our this lecture. The student will be able to know the meaning of inductive deductive method. The student will be able to know the concept of inductive deductive method. The student will be able to know the feature of inductive deductive method. The student will be know the procedure of inductive deductive method. Meaning of inductive deductive method. The inductive method of teaching means that the teacher present the rule through situation and sentences and does guided practice, then the learner to free practice after that the teacher deduce or elicits the rule from the learner by themselves. An inductive approach to teaching language start with example and ask learner to find rules. It can be compared with a deductive approach that start by giving learner rules, then example, then practice. Definition: induction from the Oxford English Dictionary. To induce in relation to science logic means to drive by reasoning to lead to something as a conclusion or reference, to suggest or imply. And induction as the process of inferring a journal, law, or principles from observation of particular instance. Abduction. Another version is the adducing, pulling together of a number of separate facts, uh, particulars, etc., especially um, for the purpose of providing uh, for purpose of proving a journal statements. Two very distinct and opposing instructional approaches are inductive and deductive. Both approaches can offer certain advantage, but the biggest difference is the role of the teacher. In deductive classroom, the teacher conducts lesson by introducing and explaining concept to students and then expecting a student to complete tasks to practice the concept. This approach is very teacher centered approach. Uh, Conversely, inductive instruction is more student centered approach and make uh, uses of strategy known as the noticing. Example of inductive deductive method: learner listen to a conversation uh, that include example of the use of the third conditional. The teacher check that the student understand understand the meaning of its through checking learner comprehension. of listening text, and only after this focus on the form. Using the example from the text to elect rules about the form it is used and its pronunciation or uh, production. In the classroom, inductive approaches to presenting uh, new knowledge are commonly founded in coursebook and form part of the journal strategy to engaging learner in what they learn. Some learner may need introduction to inductive approaches since they may be for familiar and free more comfortable with deductive approach. The deductive method of teaching means that the teacher present the rule, give a model, then the learner to do free practice and answer exercises. What is inductive instruction? Uh, in and contract wise, with the deductive method, inductive inductive instruction make use of the student noticing instead of explaining a uh, given concept and following the explanation with example. The teacher present student with many example showing how the concept is used. Then intent is for the student to notice by a way of the example and how the concept works. Using the grammar situation from the above, the teacher would present the student with a uh, variety of example for a given concept without uh, giving any uh, preamble about how the concept is used. As students see how the concept is used, it is hoped that they will notice how the concept is to be used and determine the grammar rules. As a conclusion to the activity, the teacher can ask the student to explain the grammar rule as a as a final check that they understand the concept. The inductive teaching method or process goes from the specific to general and may be based on specific experiment or experimental learning exercises. Deductive teaching method progress from general concept to specific use or application. This method are used particularly in reasoning is that logical and problem solving. The reason is to draw inferences appropriate to the situation. Inferences are classified as either deductive or inductive. For example, uh, Ram must be either the museum or in the cafeteria. He is not in the cafeteria, therefore, he must be in the museum. This is deductive reasoning. As an example of inductive reasoning, we have previous incident of this short wear caused by the instrument failure, and therefore this accident was caused by instrument failure. The most significant difference between these forms of reasoning is that in the deductive case, the truth of the premises guarantees uh, the truth of the conclusion, whereas in the inductive case, the truth of the premises lend support to the conclusion without giving absolute assurance. Inductive argument intend to support their conclusion only to some degree. The permissive do not necessitate the conclusion. Inductive reasoning is common in science where the data collected and tentative models are developed to describe and predict further behavior until the appearances uh, mm, of the anomalous data forces the model to be revised. Definition of deductive method. Deduction, according to the Oxford English Dictionary, definition of the deduce is to show or hold a thing to be delivered from etc. or to draw as conclusion from something know or assume to infer. Deduction thus is inferences by reasoning from the general to particulars, or the process of the uh, deducing from something know or assumed. What is deductive instructions? A deductive approach to instruction is more teacher-centered approach. This means that the teacher gives the student a new concept, explain it, and then has the student practice using the concept. For example, when teaching a new grammar concept, the teacher will introduce the concept, explain the rules related to its use, and finally, the student will practice using the concept in a variety of different way. According to Boom Adamson, the deductive method is often criticized uh, because it teaches grammar uh, in an isolated way. Uh, Little attention is the uh, paid to meaning. Mm. Practice is often mechanical. This method can, however, be viable option in certain situations. For example, when dealing with high motivated student, teaching a particularly different concept, or for preparing student to write exam. Teaching method can teaching method uh, teaching method can either be inductive or deductive. So some combination of the two.
Good
Combination.
morning, ma'am.
Uh, Reduction and induction, as you are watching in my PPT, theory, hypothesis, observation, and confirmation, and induction, uh, observation, pattern, uh, tentative hypothesis, and theory. Deductive reasoning work from the more general to more specific. Sometimes this is informally called a top-down approach. We might being with thinking of a theory about our topic of interest when we then narrow that down into more specific hypotheses that we can test. We narrow down even further when we collect observation to address the hypothesis. This ultimately leads us to be able to test the hypothesis with specific data to confirmation or original theory. Deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning work the other way, moving from the specific observation to broader generalization and theories informal. Theories informally, we sometime call this a bottom-up approaches. In deductive reasoning, we being with specific observation and measure being to detect patterns and regularities, formulate some tentative hypothesis that we can explore and finally end up uh, end up developing some journal conclusion or theories. Difference between inductive and deductive technique. The most significant difference between these forms of reasoning mm, is that in the deductive case, the truth of the premises guarantees the truth of the conclusion, uh, where in the deductive case, the truth of uh, uh, premises uh, lends support to the conclusion without giving absolute assurance. Uh, Deductive argument intend to support their conclusion only to some degree. The remain premise do not uh, necessitate the conclusion. Inductive reasoning is common in science where data is collected and tentative. Models are developed to describe and predict further behavior until the appearances of the mults data forces the model to be revised. Deductive reasoning is common in mathematics and logic, where elaborate structure of pre uh, Qtable of theorem are built upon up from a small set of uh, bases, axioms, and rules. However, example exist to where teaching by inductive method bears fruit. Example of inductive method, mathematics. Ask a student to draw a few set of parallel line with two lines in each set. Let them construct and measure the corresponding and alternate angle in each case. They will find them equal in all cases. The conclusion in a good number of cases will enable them to generalize that corresponding angle are equal, alternate angle are equal. This is a case where equality of corresponding and alternative angle in a certain set of parallel line help us to generalize the conclusion. Thus, this is an example of inductive method. Ask a student to construct a few triangles. Let them measure and sum of the interior angle in each case. The sum will be same, equal to 180 degree in each case. Thus, they can conclude that the sum of interior angle of a triangle equal to 180 degree. This is a case where equality of sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree in certain number of triangle lead us to generalize the conclusion. Thus, this is an example of inductive method. Inductive method example in language: develop of a story from a given outline is an example of inductive method, because the student may develop any story from the given outline based on his or her imagination. Option second example of language of inductive method: writing a letter to his father describing particular event of his life is an example of inductive method, because the event and the language different from the student to student, while the format of the letter is always specific, as it always start with the respected father, then is the body of the letter, and finally the closure is done by the your loving son, daughter, followed by the name. So this is the another example of in language. This is the inductive example. Another example of language of inductive method: writing an essay on the book I like most is an example of inductive method, because while the format of essay, uh, uh, introduction followed by the body and finally the conclusion always remain the same, but the book and the reason for liking and it and the words used different from the individual to individual. Uh, Chemistry example of inductive method. Uh, Elements in the periodic table are divided into several groups which have similar property and electronic configuration, etc. Thus, if the properties of individual element in a group like chemical reactivity, mantling point, boiling point, ionization, energy, etc., are know the properties of the elements of the entire group can be practiced with very few expectation. Thus, it proceed from specific to general, and so is the an example of inductive method. Now we will discuss inductive example in physics by noticing the amount of work done in lifting a body from uh, the ground or to the height. We can driven the relationship with the potential energy of the body with the height attended by it from the ground, which is Pe equal to mgh, where g equal to 9 am, the where g equal to 9.8 m, the acceleration due to gravity acting vertically downward. The height being specific, it produce from specific to general. So it is an example of inductive method. Biology example, the children are explained the consequences of depletion of resources like coal, petroleum, and let them reason to need for conservation of the resources and method for it as it produced from particular to general, therefore is an example of inductive method. Example in economics, by studying the factor affecting inflation, which are specific like to supply and demand of goods in a economic, etc. We can predict as to whether the rate of the inflation will rise or fall during a given period of time, which ultimately gives an estimate of the cost of living in an economic, and calculating the cost of living index number, the government is able to decide regarding the extent of increase in the dearness allowances, DA. Now we will discuss some example of deductive method. First, we will discuss in mathematics subject. We have an axiom that two distinct lines in a plane are either parallel or intersecting. Based on this axiom, the corresponding theories is that two distinct lines in a plane cannot have more than one point in a common. Thus, this is an example of deductive method. Next example in mathematics, we have a formula for the solution of the linear Sturm tension equations. As an the student find the solution of the sum problem like based on this formula. Thus, this is an example of deductive method. Example in language, write a summary of a passage known as precious writing is an example of deductive method because for the given passage we always have certain key points which are included in the summary. Explaining a poem, another example of language of deductive method. Explaining a poem in a Corsi with difference to context is a example of deductive method because the poem being give we always try to open the specific idea for thought of the poet and Corsi. Hence, it is example of deductive method. Chemistry example of deductive method. The experiment of a salt analysis is an example of deductive method because here we firstly perform the preliminary test, also know the dry test to acidification to the which group is may probably belong. The group being ascertained, the process to perform a specific confirmatory test to identify the particular salt. Thus, a proceed from the general to specific. Physics example of deductive method by using the property of a semiconductor, we make several instrument like diodes and transistor which have used like the light emitting diode is used to remote control instrument. The photo diode is used for counting the exact number of the pupil present in the stadium at the particular interval of time. It is a proceed from general to specific. Thus, this is an example of deductive method. Biology. This method can be best be made use of in the study and understanding the disease where the symptoms and precautionary measure of various disease caused by bacteria, virus, and other organisms can explain, and children are asked to identify the same on the basis of their understanding. Next example of biology, classification of animal into chordata and non-chordata on the basis of their different, since the differences are general in nature, and the classification and mentioned about the particular in the nature, it proceeds from general to particular. Thus, this is an example of deductive method. Uh, Logic and problem solving are two more area where this method find extensive uses. The major task of logic to establish systematic way to deducing the logical consequence of a set of sentences. In order to accomplish this, it necessary first to identify or characterize the logical consequences of a set of sentence. This procedure for delivering conclusion from a set of sentences then need by examine to variety that all logical consequences and only these are uh, deducible from the set. From its very beginning, the field of logic has been occupied with the argument in which certain statements, the premises are assisted in order to support some other statement. The conclusion, if the premises are intended to provide conclusion support for conclusion. The argument is a deductive one if the premises are intended to support the conclusion only to a lesser degree. The argument is called deductive. A logical correct argument is term valid where an acceptable inductive argument is called cogent. The notion of support further illustrated by the observation that the truth of the premises of valid deductive argument necessitate the truth of the conclusion. It is possible from the premises to be truth and the conclusion false. On the other hand, the truth of the premises of a cogent argument confers only probability of truth on its conclusion. It is possible for the premises to be truth, but the conclusion is false. For example, let the premise is all teacher are scholar, and the conclusion be there are some scholar who are not teacher. Let the premises but true then obviously the conclusion is false. Here is Hence, it is cognate again. Let the premises is no policeman is a thief, and the conclusion be no thief is a policeman. Let the premise be truth, then the conclusion is also seen to be true. This is the valid argument. Difference between inductive and deductive method. Deductive method does not give any new knowledge, it gives new knowledge. Inductive method always give new knowledge. Deductive method, uh, mm, uh, method of verification. Deductive method is a discovery method. Uh, Deductive method is the method of instruction. Uh, Inductive method of a teaching. In deductive method, children get ready to make information and make use of it. In deductive method, children acquire first hand knowledge and the information by actual observation. Inductive method, sorry, deductive method is a quick process and sorry, deductive method is a quick process and inductive method is a slow process. Deductive method encourage dependence on other resources. Deductive method train the mind and give self-confidence and in initiatives in the students. Deductive method, there is a less scope of activity in the inductive method. It is fully full of activity based. Deductive method is downward process of the thought and led to useful result. In deductive method, it is downward process, sorry, it is upward process of thought and leads to principles. Induction and deduction are perceived element in a critical thinking. They are also somewhat misunderstood term. Argument based on expressions and observation are best expressed inductive, while argument based on law rules are best expressed deductive. Most arguments are mainly inductive. In the fact, inductive reason usually comes much more naturally to use than deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning moves from specific detail and observation to the Lorry journal underlying principle or process that explain them. The premises of inductive argument are believed to support the conclusion but not ensure. It is thus the conclusion of inductive regarding as hypothesis in the deductive method or also called scientific method. Observation of nature is the authority. In so deductive reasoning lead to confirmation or of Oral original theories, it argument the correctness of conclusion. Logic is the authority in the deductive method. And these are the references you should go through for further more detailed knowledge of the inductive and deductive method. Now, times for MCQs. The types of reasoning where a person make conclusion based on observation and pattern is called inductive reasoning. Option B, deductive reasoning. Option C, option C, conjunction. Option D, experiments. Choose appropriate answer and send me in my comment box. Next MCQs. All cars have at least two doors. A Ford Focus is a car, so the Ford Focus has at least two doors. Option A, inductive reasoning. Option B, deductive reasoning. Option C, conjunction. Option D, experiment. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs. All the bears are animals, and all animals have kidney. Therefore, all bears have kidney. A inductive, B deductive, C conjunction, conjunctive, D experiment. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs. It is dangerous to drive on ice street. The street ice now, so it is danger to drive. Option A, inductive. Option B, deductive. Option C, conjecture. Option D, experiment. Inductive reasoning means guessing. Option B, testing and observing pattern to make conjectures. Option C, explaining way. Option D, none above. Next MCQs. If you are starting with what you know about a large population and coming to a conclusion about specific scenario, then which type of reasoning are you using? Inductive. Option A, deductive. Option B, conjecture. Option C. Option D, experiment. Choose appropriate answer. Thank you, student. You listen me and send your answer in my comment box. In this video lecture, we learn what is inductive and deductive method, or we also see some example of inductive and deductive method.